Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and today we'll be taking a look at what's in the box of the Pioneer DMH-ZF7650BT 9-inch AV receiver. Let's check it out. Firstly, we have the main wiring harness. This is used for numerous connections like the vehicle's constant and accessory power, earth, illumination circuit, vehicle speed signal and speaker wires, amongst others. We have the AV harness, which connects to external amplifiers, cameras, auxiliary input and more. External microphone to run to the top central area of the hood lining near the windscreen. USB extension, allowing you to run your USB access point to a preferred location in your vehicle. Steering wheel remote connection cable. This can be utilised where more traditional resistive-based steering wheel controls can be manually connected to the vehicle. GPS antenna and associated mounting components. A GPS antenna is required with all wireless AV receivers and requires a clear signal through the vehicle's windshield. A wide selection of mounting screws allowing for various mounting options and requirements. A quick start guide to assist you in getting to know your new Pioneer DMH-ZF7650BT. The complete user manual can be found on the product page at www.pioneer.com.au. You have the single-DIN chassis of the AV receiver. And last but not least, the Pioneer DMH-ZF7650BT capacitive screen assembly. And there you have it. That's what's in the box of the Pioneer DMH-ZF7650BT 9-inch wireless AV receiver. For more information, visit your nearest authorised Pioneer retailer or our website today.